The National Center of Excellence in Geology, NCEG, University of Peshawar, has a tradition of organizing a biennial international conference on Earth Sciences Pakistan (ESP) at Summer Campus Baragali, University of Peshawar. We are pleased to announce the 7th conference of the series. The ESP has consistently attracted national and international delegates from academia and industry to present their work, discuss the novelty of their research, exchange ideas, establish linkages and research collaborations, and visualize the role of Earth scientists in promoting sustainable development. Early bird registration, April 10, 2024. Standard registration, May 1, 2024. Abstracts should be submitted to esp.nceg@uop.edu.pk on or before 1 May, 2024. Details are in the description. Thank you for being with us.